The life expectancy of panels and switchboards hinges on several factors. Firstly, the manufacturer, as different manufacturers adhere to varying quality standards, influencing equipment lifespan. Secondly, usage patterns significantly impact longevity. Frequent and heavy usage can accelerate wear and tear. Thirdly, maintenance practices play a crucial role. Regular inspections and upkeep can extend the equipment's operational life. Fourthly, environmental conditions matter. Exposure to harsh environments such as extreme temperatures or high humidity can reduce lifespan. General guidelines suggest that electrical panels typically last for 20 to 30 years, while switchboards have a lifespan of 30 to 40 years. When evaluating 30 to 40-year-old equipment that appears to be functioning adequately, it's essential to consider potential risks. One such risk is the increased probability of failures. As equipment ages, its components become more susceptible to breakdown. Safety considerations are also paramount. Older equipment might not comply with current safety regulations, elevating the risk of electrical shocks or fires. Insurance requirements may also dictate replacement. Some insurance providers might mandate the replacement of aging electrical equipment. Potential failures in old equipment encompass several areas, including insulation breakdown. Over time, insulation can degrade, leading to electrical shorts and fires. Component wear is another concern. Moving parts like circuit breakers can wear down, diminishing their reliability. Corrosion is a further issue. Exposed metal parts can corrode, weakening connections and heightening the risk of power disruptions. Arc faults can occur within the equipment, causing damage and potential fires. Ground faults may indicate problems with the circuit or the equipment itself. Recommendations for maintaining old equipment include conducting regular inspections and maintenance performed by a qualified electrician. It's also vital to monitor the equipment for any alterations in performance or behavior. If you detect any issues such as overheating, flickering lights, or buzzing sounds, promptly contact an electrician. Replacement should be considered if the equipment exhibits significant wear, corrosion, or malfunction. For additional information, refer to the National Electrical Code Section 110.28, Guidelines for Inspecting and Testing Electrical Equipment, and an Electrical Equipment Life Expectancy Guide. Insulation breakdown is a common failure mode in older electrical equipment. The insulation materials used in panels and switchboards, such as rubber, plastic, and varnish, degrade over time due to heat, humidity, and exposure to contaminants. As the insulation deteriorates, its ability to prevent electrical current from flowing where it shouldn't decreases. This can lead to short circuits, ground faults, and even fires. Regular inspection and testing of insulation resistance can help identify potential problems before they become serious. Component wear is another significant factor affecting the lifespan of panels and switchboards. Circuit breakers, switches, and other moving parts are subject to mechanical wear and tear with each operation. Over time, this wear can lead to reduced performance, increased resistance, and eventual failure. Regularly lubricating moving parts and replacing worn components can help extend the life of the equipment. Corrosion is a major concern in electrical equipment, especially in damp or corrosive environments. Metal components, such as busbars, connectors, and enclosures, can corrode due to exposure to moisture, chemicals, and pollutants. Corrosion increases resistance, weakens connections, and can eventually lead to equipment failure. Protective coatings, regular cleaning, and proper ventilation can help prevent corrosion. Arc faults are dangerous electrical discharges that occur when current flows through an unintended path, such as a gap in insulation or a loose connection. Arc faults generate intense heat and can ignite flammable materials, leading to fires. Older electrical equipment is more susceptible to arc faults due to degraded insulation, loose connections, and worn components. Arc fault circuit interrupters, known as FSIs, are designed to detect arc faults and quickly shut off the power to prevent fires. Ground faults occur when electrical current flows from a live conductor to ground through an unintended path. Ground faults can be caused by damaged insulation, loose connections, or equipment failure. Ground fault circuit interrupters, known as GFCIs, are designed to detect ground faults and quickly shut off the power to prevent electrical shock. Regular testing of GFCIs is essential to ensure they are functioning properly. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides comprehensive guidelines for the installation, maintenance, and inspection of electrical equipment. NEC Section 110.28 covers environmental suitability of equipment, requiring that electrical equipment be suitable for the environmental conditions in which it is installed, including temperature, humidity, and exposure to corrosive substances. Proper maintenance is essential for extending the life of electrical panels and switchboards. Regular inspection should be performed by a qualified electrician to identify potential problems, such as loose connections, damaged insulation, and corrosion. Cleaning the equipment to remove dust, dirt, and debris can help prevent overheating and improve performance. Tightening connections and replacing worn components can also help extend the life of the equipment. When inspecting electrical equipment, pay close attention to the following signs of potential problems. Firstly, overheating, which can be indicated by discoloration, melting, or a burning smell. Secondly, flickering lights or power fluctuations, which can indicate loose connections or overloaded circuits. Thirdly, buzzing or humming sounds, which can indicate loose connections, arcing, or transformer problems. Fourthly, corrosion, which can weaken connections and lead to equipment failure. Fifthly, damaged insulation, which can increase the risk of electrical shock and fire. In addition to regular inspections, electrical testing can help identify hidden problems and ensure the equipment is operating safely and efficiently. Insulation resistance testing, also known as MEGR testing, measures the resistance of the insulation to detect degradation and potential failure. Contact resistance testing measures the resistance of connections to identify loose or corroded connections. Circuit breaker testing verifies the proper operation of circuit breakers and their ability to trip under overload and short-circuit conditions. Thermography, or infrared scanning, uses a special camera to detect hot spots, which can indicate loose connections, overloaded circuits, or equipment problems. When it comes to replacing aging electrical equipment, consider the following. Firstly, safety. Older equipment may not meet current safety standards and may pose a risk of electrical shock or fire. Secondly, reliability. Aging equipment is more likely to fail, leading to downtime and lost productivity. Thirdly, efficiency. Newer equipment is often more energy efficient, which can save money on electricity bills. Fourthly, code compliance. Replacing old equipment may be necessary to comply with current electrical codes. When replacing electrical equipment, choose equipment that is properly rated for the application and meets current safety standards. Work with a qualified electrician to ensure the equipment is installed correctly and safely. Keep detailed records of all inspections, maintenance, and repairs performed on electrical equipment. This information can be helpful in identifying trends, predicting failures, and making informed decisions about equipment replacement. Proper labeling of electrical equipment is essential for safety and maintenance. Clearly label all panels, circuits, and equipment to identify their function and voltage. Use warning labels to indicate potential hazards, such as high voltage or arc flash. Keep labels clean and legible. Arc flash is a dangerous electrical phenomenon that can occur when a short circuit or arc fault creates a high energy explosion. Arc flash can cause severe burns, blindness, and even death. Older electrical equipment is more susceptible to arc flash due to degraded insulation, loose connections, and worn components. Performing an arc flash hazard analysis can help determine the potential arc flash hazard levels and identify appropriate safety measures. These measures may include wearing personal protective equipment, using insulated tools, and establishing safe work practices. In addition to the factors already mentioned, the type of load served by the electrical equipment can also affect its lifespan. Equipment that serves critical loads, such as hospitals or data centers, may require more frequent inspections and maintenance to ensure reliability. Equipment that serves heavy or fluctuating loads may experience more wear and tear. The availability of spare parts can also be a factor in determining the lifespan of electrical equipment. If spare parts are no longer available, It may be necessary to replace the equipment even if it is still functioning. Advances in technology can also make older electrical equipment obsolete. Newer equipment may offer improved performance, efficiency, and safety features. Upgrading to newer equipment can improve overall system reliability and reduce operating costs. The decision to replace aging electrical equipment is a complex one that should be based on a thorough assessment of the equipment's condition, performance, safety, and code compliance. Working with a qualified electrical contractor can help ensure that the assessment is accurate and that the replacement is performed safely and correctly. Remember to consult with your insurance company to understand their requirements for electrical equipment replacement. Some insurance companies may offer incentives for upgrading to newer, more energy-efficient equipment. Finally, consider the environmental impact of replacing electrical equipment. Dispose of old equipment properly to prevent pollution and conserve resources. Many electrical equipment manufacturers offer recycling programs for their products. Regular infrared thermography inspections can identify overheating components before they fail, preventing costly downtime and potential safety hazards. Monitoring the load on electrical circuits can help prevent overloads and extend the life of the equipment. Consider using power monitoring systems to track load levels and identify potential problems. Implementing a comprehensive preventive maintenance program can significantly extend the life of electrical panels and switchboards. This program should include regular inspections, testing, cleaning, and lubrication. Properly training personnel on the safe operation and maintenance of electrical equipment is essential for preventing accidents and extending the life of the equipment. Documenting all maintenance activities and repairs in a logbook can help track the performance of the equipment and identify potential problems. Using surge protection devices can help protect electrical equipment from damage caused by voltage surges. Voltage surges can be caused by lightning, utility switching, and other events. Regularly inspect and test surge protection devices to ensure they are functioning properly. Maintaining proper grounding of electrical equipment is essential for safety and preventing electrical shock. Regularly inspect grounding connections to ensure they are tight and corrosion-free. Using corrosion inhibitors on electrical connections can help prevent corrosion and extend the life of the equipment. Consider using sealed or gasketed enclosures to protect electrical equipment from moisture and dust. Regularly inspect and clean enclosures to ensure they are properly sealed. Implementing a lockout/tag-up program can help prevent accidents during maintenance and repair of electrical equipment. Ensure that all personnel are properly trained on lockout/tag-up procedures. Using arc-resistant switchgear can help protect personnel and equipment from the hazards of arc flash. Arc-resistant switchgear is designed to contain the energy of an arc flash event, preventing it from spreading to other equipment or personnel. Consider using remote monitoring systems to track the performance of electrical equipment remotely. Remote monitoring systems can provide early warning of potential problems, allowing for proactive maintenance and preventing downtime. Implementing a formal asset management program can help track the location, condition, and maintenance history of electrical equipment. This information can be used to make informed decisions about equipment replacement and maintenance. Regularly review and update the electrical one-line diagram to ensure it accurately reflects the current configuration of the electrical system. An accurate one-line diagram is essential for troubleshooting and maintenance. Consider using energy-efficient lighting and other electrical equipment to reduce energy consumption and extend the life of the equipment. Energy-efficient equipment generates less heat, which can help reduce stress on the electrical system. Regularly calibrate electrical testing equipment to ensure accurate measurements. Accurate measurements are essential for troubleshooting and maintenance. Consider using predictive maintenance techniques to identify potential problems before they occur. Predictive maintenance techniques use data analysis and other methods to predict when equipment is likely to fail, allowing for proactive maintenance and preventing downtime. Staying up to date on the latest electrical codes and standards is essential for ensuring safety and code compliance. Regularly review and update electrical safety procedures to reflect changes in codes and standards. Establishing a strong electrical safety culture is essential for preventing accidents and extending the life of electrical equipment. A strong electrical safety culture promotes safe work practices and encourages personnel to report potential hazards. Consider using uninterruptible power supplies, known as UPS, to protect critical loads from power outages and voltage fluctuations. UPS provide backup power in the event of a power outage, ensuring that critical equipment continues to operate. Regularly inspect and test UPS systems to ensure they are functioning properly. Implementing a power quality monitoring program can help identify and mitigate power quality problems such as voltage sags, swells, and harmonics. Power quality problems can damage electrical equipment and reduce its lifespan. Consider using harmonic filters to reduce harmonic distortion in the electrical system. Harmonic distortion can cause overheating and other problems in electrical equipment. Regularly inspect and clean busbars to prevent corrosion and overheating. Busbars are the conductors that carry electrical current within panels and switchboards. Consider using insulated busbars to reduce the risk of arc flash. Insulated busbars are coated with an insulating material that helps prevent arc flash events. Regularly inspect and tighten all electrical connections to prevent loose connections and overheating. Loose connections are a common cause of electrical problems. Consider using torque wrenches to ensure that electrical connections are properly tightened. Torque wrenches apply a specific amount of torque to the connection, ensuring that it is tight enough but not too tight. Regularly inspect and clean electrical enclosures to prevent the buildup of dust, dirt, and moisture. Dust, dirt, and moisture can damage electrical equipment and reduce its lifespan. Consider using desiccant packs to absorb moisture inside electrical enclosures. Desiccant packs are small bags of absorbent material that help keep the inside of enclosures dry. Regularly inspect and replace any damaged or worn wiring. Damaged or worn wiring can cause electrical problems and increase the risk of fire. Consider using color-coded wiring to make it easier to identify different circuits. Color-coded wiring can help prevent errors during maintenance and repair. Regularly inspect and test ground fault circuit interrupters, known as GFCIs, to ensure they are functioning properly. GFCIs are designed to protect personnel from electrical shock. Regularly inspect and test arc fault circuit interrupters, known as SIs, to ensure they are functioning properly. SIs are designed to protect against electrical fires. Consider using surge protective devices, known as SPD, on all critical circuits. SPD protect electrical equipment from voltage surges. Regularly inspect and test SPD to ensure they are functioning properly. Consider using transient voltage surge suppressors, known as TVSS, to protect sensitive electronic equipment from voltage surges. TVSS devices are designed to protect electronic equipment from damage caused by voltage surges. Regularly inspect and test TVSS devices to ensure they are functioning properly.